Welcome, Loyalty Squad. This is the Velvet Locks back at you with another DIY video for you today. Now, you know what? I still have not received my mask that I bought in March. Okay, I ordered it in March and it still didn't come in the mail. Well, I'm going to show you how to make your own mask that you can protect yourself as well as your family. It's easy to make, and all you need is simple little items, okay? And there's no sewing involved. So you can get a bandana, you can use old clothes, you can use a thin scarf. I mean, it is so simple, and you can recreate the same look in any color, any style, any fashion, and be safe out there while you're shopping for essentials, taking care of little odds and ends. It's easy to make. Now, this is not CDC regulated, but something is definitely better than nothing, okay? And I'm going to show you right now how to get this look and even make something better. I know some of you have skills out there. Well, let me show you how to recreate this easy DIY look. Okay, you guys, so let me show you the things that you're going to need. You're going to need some fabric, or if you have bandanas, this is a good option as well because they're already a certain size. You can do this with just about anything. You can do it with a nice long scarf. You just have to maneuver it in a different way for it to work. So what you're going to need is some bandanas, and this is a no-sew item, no-sew DIY. You're going to need some scrunchies, and you're going to also need some wipes, okay? Preferably dry wipes. So what you can do is dry them out. You can use these little cheesy ones, or you can use the better quality ones if you choose. It's up to you. The better, the thicker the better. And you can even double them up. So I'm going to be using my other longer headbands, head ties, because these are stretchable. Try to get one that's stretchable because the other ones are very tight and they will not fit. Alright, so what you're going to do is you're just going to scrunch up the end like so. Scrunch up the other end. Like so. And you're just going to fold it in neatly in the middle, and you're going to do the same thing with that. You're just going to fold it nice and neat on the inside because that's where you got to breathe. Okay, like so. Now you're going to take your baby wipe or your wipes, your facial wipes, alright, you're going to put that on the inside. But like I said, you're going to fix around the ends so that it's neatly tucked inside. And you fix it in like that. Okay, now let me show you how to put it on. And voila, you have your face mask. So simple. Alright, what I prefer to do is for the wipes to actually be damp because it kind of helps to mold the mask a lot better. Okay, and you, like I said, you can tuck it and do whatever is necessary and make it more molded. And you just place it right over your earrings. And it's so simple, y'all. So simple. Okay. Now, this is not CDC regulated, but something is better than nothing. Okay, they're telling us to put a scarf around our face. They're telling us to do all sorts of stuff. Well, instead of buying them, because everybody and their grandmama is selling them $5, $15, $20, it's ridiculous. Get yourself a regular bandana or a regular scarf. You could even use a shirt, okay, and fold it. Get your little scrunchies, and you got your face mask. Put it around your earrings, ladies. And there you have it, okay? So that's it, you guys. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Like I said, these are so easy to make, and you can really have fun with it, even though this is a serious time that we are living in. But hey, you know, you can't find these masks. It's hard to get them. They're expensive as heck. Might as well just make them, all right? And at least this way you can be safe and protected at the same time, all right? So thank you so much for joining me on this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe down below. Check down below for the links for my other channel, as well as my other channel, okay? And until the next video, you guys, I will see you then.
Hello, Velvet.
Yes.
I need your help.